Right, we are back again. The truck is unloaded, the tools are all out. I've put the first beam. Let's get down there. Teleportation. Right, today I am finishing this wall. Let's carry on putting these beams in. They're all here. The first one's put in. I just cracked on. I need to get this finished. I cracked on without the camera, but you've seen it all before. Let's do a quick walk around and show you. So that's what we're seeing. Beam on the outside of that post, on the inside of that post, coach bolts holding it in place, and a couple of deck screws on that side just to stop it moving. Right, we've got 5 beams to put in, so we put one in, we've got another 4 to go in. That'll take us up to about here. What I've also done on this side is screwed a couple of star pickets to the inside of the post, because we're going to put a like a log up here just to get that little bit of extra height, and thought it would be useful, something for me to screw to. Right, let's get this thing going and get these last 4 beams all in place. Right, that's it. I'm done. Quickly get packed up and let's get out of here. Not quite, right? So look, that's all the beams bolted and screwed into position. Fair bit of backfill now, as you can see, with all that soil up there. The excavator's up the hill, so I'm going to go grab that. I'll take some tools back, go grab the excavator, bring it back down and try and backfill this area a little bit. Bring a chainsaw down, cut up some of those pieces of timber. Some of them will sit on top here. And right, and then I'll be finished. I'm hoping, I don't know, an hour or so from now, maybe an hour and a half, I'm going to be done. Right, let's get into it. Okay, that is it. A little retaining wall in there, all kind of backfilled. I haven't started driving over that because it's just so wet and sloppy. the excavator for certain will sink in there and I'll end up in a little bit of a mess. So I just kind of pushed it up, left it heaped high. That should work an absolute treat. Just a couple of things left to do, but I'm actually going to wait until it dries out. As I started moving all this soil around, I realised trying to do anything, putting some limbs from the trees down there and backfilling with soil, and that's just a bit of a waste right now. It's so wet. I actually just need to let all this solidify, but we've got all this rough graded out now, and I'll be able to drive up and down here with any luck. And obviously the area over there that I've widened is going to make things a heck of a lot easier. Right, at long last I think we're going to say these retaining walls are now done, project done. Let's move on to the next one. Catch you next time. It's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from him.